Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, confirm your device model to avoid confusion about features. Open Settings, choose General, tap About, and read the model name line. If it says iPhone 13, know that Dynamic Island is not a native feature. You can still mimic it with third-party apps or use live activities in supported apps. Before installing anything, update to the latest iOS version. Also back up to iCloud or a computer to protect your data. Open the App Store and search for a Dynamic Island Mimic app with high ratings. Tap Get, install the app, and then open it to start setup. When prompted, allow notifications and microphone access for call and media previews. In the app settings, pick an island style and size that matches your screen edge. Enable the overlay permission so the island appears over other apps. Test the Mimic by playing music or starting a timer to confirm it reacts. Next, rely on live activities in apps that support them to get real-time updates. Open Settings, go to Notifications, and ensure live activities is allowed for each app. Create shortcuts for quick controls like play, pause, or call, and assign them to back tap in Accessibility. Use Assistive Touch or a widget to mimic quick status access near the top of the screen. Finally, watch battery usage and privacy permissions, and disable overlay apps when they are not needed to conserve power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.